Audi S4K. Just got done painting it a couple of hours ago actually. It's wicked hot in the garage right now, cooking this stuff off. And I thought I'd give you a quick walk around. The paint is just underside, engine bay, interior and trunk. Basically everything that's needed to allow me to build the thing up. It has been etch primed, and then seam sealed, and then this is a single stage urethane, which is a color called, what was it called? Carbon fiber metallic, basically gunmetal. There's also been some Gravitex texture stone chip applied, as you can see in the windshield tray area. That's all been Gravitexed, whereas the top of the strut towers are not. See if we can catch a highlight here. But the sides are, and the inner fenders are front tube work. Came out pretty nice. And keep walking around. Then so the next task is to give this a couple of days to cure, get good and hard. Then start assembly. Most of the parts are built. There are a few things that need some attention. The subframes need some final attention. We'll come back to the interior. I'll go around the back of the car. The bodywork yet to be done, external bodywork. The rock panels are all pretty much done. It's all covered by bumper. Interior of the trunk, again, I actually ran out of Gravitex. This was textured with a 3M rocker spray, which I'm not sure. I think I might like it better. I think it gives a much more crisp texture. Probably be able to get the same effects with the Gravitex if I screwed around a little more. And let me just fire up these lights here. Take a look underneath. So the underside was again heavily modified, then all etch primed, cleaned up. Stone chip, and then single stage urethane. Pretty much everywhere. It came out pretty nice. Fairly lightweight, should be durable. Should stay clean-ish. Take a look at the interior. Get up off the floor where I've been living for the last couple of days. Let's see, we can get some more light up in there, but the whole interior was painted, roof, cage. Floor. Finish came out nice. There's a couple of runs in a few places. Nothing that can't be fixed. But overall, I'm pretty happy. It's not bad. And that's basically it. Next job. So putting this thing together, and then it can either go to Mark Swanson's EFI Express to be made to run, or it can go up to Jake's Rod Shop to have the final bodywork and paint done. One of the two, depends on people's schedules. Alright, I am tired, I'm going to call it a day. Back up. That's it.